Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today we embark on a picturesque journey through the captivating landscapes of Mozambique. Nestled on the southeast coast of Africa, Mozambique is a hidden gem, brimming with a diverse array of natural wonders. From pristine beaches with azure waters to towering mountains, lush wildlife reserves to historical landmarks, Mozambique offers a canvas of scenic delights that are nothing short of breathtaking. The country's geographical location straddling the tropics blesses it with a rich tapestry of ecosystems, each more enchanting than the last. As we delve into the heart of this mesmerizing land, we'll traverse its length and breadth, exploring the most scenic spots that Mozambique has to offer. So, buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey of discovery, where each bend in the road unravels a new vista of awe-inspiring beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by the unspoiled beauty of Mozambique's landscapes. Our first stop is the stunning Bazaruto Archipelago, a group of islands off the coast of Mozambique. Imagine a place where the sky blends seamlessly into the sea, where the sun kisses the earth with hues of gold and orange, and where time seems to stand still in awe of the surrounding beauty. That's the Bazaruto Archipelago for you. Nestled in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Mozambique, this group of 5 islands is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The Bazaruto Archipelago is often hailed as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, and for good reason. The islands are home to some of the most pristine beaches you'll ever lay your eyes on. Picture this: endless stretches of white sand, gently lapped by clear turquoise waters that reveal a vibrant underwater world. Speaking of underwater life, the Bazaruto Archipelago is a diver's paradise. The archipelago is home to one of the largest marine reserves in the Indian Ocean, teeming with a rich variety of marine life. From playful dolphins to the rare dugong, the underwater world here is as diverse as it is beautiful. One can spend days exploring the coral reefs, swimming amidst schools of colorful fish, and marveling at the breathtaking underwater landscapes. But the beauty of the Bazaruto Archipelago is not just confined to its waters. The islands themselves are a wonder to explore. With their towering sand dunes, lush tropical forests, and diverse bird species, each island offers a unique adventure waiting to be embarked upon. On these islands you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of the modern world and immerse yourself in the raw beauty of nature. Here, the rhythm of life is dictated not by the ticking of a clock, but by the ebb and flow of the tides. The Bazaruto Archipelago is truly a paradise on earth. It's a place that captivates your senses, fills your heart with joy, and leaves you with memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply someone in search of tranquility, the Bazaruto Archipelago is a destination that should definitely be on your travel bucket list. Next, we venture into the wild at Gorongosa National Park. A hidden gem nestled in the heart of Mozambique, Gorongosa National Park is a breathtaking expanse of wilderness, a thriving sanctuary that's home to a myriad of wildlife and a rich tapestry of vegetation. It's a testament to nature's resilience and diversity, a vibrant ecosystem that has endured and flourished despite the passage of time and the scars of history. Imagine a world teeming with life, where elephants roam freely, their trumpets echoing through the verdant forests, and lions laze in the shade, their golden coats blending seamlessly with the sun-dappled grasslands. Picture herds of wildebeest and zebra grazing peacefully, their movements creating a ballet of life across the vast savanna, while high above, eagles and vultures soar, their keen eyes searching the landscape below. But it's not just about the animals. Gorongosa is also a treasure trove of lush vegetation, a green paradise that stretches as far as the eye can see. From towering hardwood trees to delicate orchids, from sprawling grasslands to dense forests, the park's flora is as diverse as it is beautiful. And let's not forget the water bodies, rivers winding their way through the landscape, their cool waters teeming with hippos and crocodiles, and lakes shimmering under the African sun, their surfaces dotted with the vibrant colors of water lilies and lotus flowers. This is a place where every sunrise paints a new picture, a kaleidoscope of colors splashed across the sky, and every sunset is a symphony of light, a spectacle that leaves you breathless with its beauty. It's a place that speaks to the soul, a place that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Gorongosa National Park is more than just a park. It's a living, breathing testament to the rich biodiversity of Mozambique, a sanctuary where nature thrives in all its glory. It's a place that inspires awe and wonder, a place that reminds us of our connection to the natural world and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Gorongosa National Park is a testament to the rich biodiversity of Mozambique. Now, let's ascend to new heights at Mount Namuli, Mozambique's second highest peak. Imagine a mountain that stands tall and proud, its peak piercing the vibrant blue African sky. This is Mount Namuli, a majestic monolith that towers over the surrounding landscape. It's a marvel of nature, a testament to the Earth's raw, unyielding power and beauty. Mount Namuli is not just an ordinary mountain. It's a mosaic of diverse ecosystems, a refuge for unique species, and a beacon for adventurers. The mountain's dramatic cliffs are a sight to behold, soaring high and showcasing a breathtaking display of nature's grandeur. These cliffs, shaped by thousands of years of wind and rain, tell a tale as old as time itself. But it's not just the cliffs that make Mount Namuli special. The mountain is a botanical paradise, a treasure trove of diverse flora. Vibrant orchids and aloes bloom in the crevices of the rocks, adding splashes of color to the stony landscape. Towering trees stand like sentinels, their branches providing shelter to an array of bird species. The mountain's vegetation is a living testament to the resilience and diversity of life. Yet the crown jewel of Mount Namuli is its panoramic views. As you scale its slopes, the world unfolds beneath you, a tapestry of green and blue. From the lush valleys to the distant horizon, the view from the summit is a panorama of pure, unadulterated beauty. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a moment of triumph and awe as you stand at the top of the world. Mount Namuli is more than just a mountain. It's an experience, a journey, a challenge. It's a place where you can push your limits, discover new wonders, and find a sense of peace amidst the chaos of life. It's a hiker's dream, an explorer's paradise, a testament to the Earth's undying beauty. Mount Namuli is a hiker's dream and a sight to behold. Finally, we step back in time on the historic island of Mozambique. This enchanting locale, a jewel in the Indian Ocean, is a place where the past echoes in every corner. The island of Mozambique, or Ilha de Moçambique as it is known locally, has a history that stretches back over half a millennium. It has served as a major Arab trading post, a Portuguese colonial capital, and now, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The island's rich history is etched into its architecture, a kaleidoscope of styles from the many cultures that have left their mark here. The grandeur of the colonial-era buildings, complete with their ornate detailing, is a testament to the island's past as a Portuguese stronghold. Among these, the Chapel of Nossa Senhora de Baluarte, built in 1522, is considered the oldest European building in the southern hemisphere. As you wander through the island's narrow, atmospheric streets, you'll find yourself transported back in time. The stone town, with its fortified walls, is a maze of winding alleys, lined with houses featuring traditional wooden balconies and delicately carved doors. It's a place where history is not just remembered, but lived. But it's not just the past that makes the island of Mozambique so special. The island is also home to vibrant markets, where locals sell a dizzying array of goods, from fresh seafood to traditional crafts. And let's not forget the beaches, stretches of white sand kissed by azure waters, offering the perfect respite after a day of exploring. The island of Mozambique is more than a destination. It's a journey into a fascinating past, a testament to the resilience of its people, and a celebration of its vibrant present. Its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site is well-deserved, protecting and highlighting the unique cultural heritage that makes this island such a captivating destination. The island of Mozambique is a captivating blend of history and beauty. And that concludes our scenic journey through Mozambique. We've explored the breathtaking Bazaruto Archipelago with its turquoise waters and pristine beaches. We've journeyed through the exotic wilderness of Gorongosa National Park, a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. We've scaled the majestic Mount Namuli, a hiker's paradise, and strolled through the historic streets of the island of Mozambique, a UNESCO World Heritage Site steeped in rich history and culture. Mozambique, with its vibrant landscapes and captivating history, is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So why wait? Pack your bags and set off on your own adventure. Experience the beauty of this African gem firsthand. What other parts of the world would you like us to explore next? Please leave your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Until next time, keep exploring.